All right. Good afternoon, everybody. So actually, today, Wednesday, for November 2020, and yeah, actually, I am trying to. Yeah, welcome to. Sorry, I'm so nervous today, but I hope that everything will be running okay. Yeah, welcome to Children's Art Club channels, where this channel provided by me. Can you hear me now? Can everybody please hear me? Am I still muted? Hello? Oh, okay. I'm going to check it first. Maybe just in case that you guys are maybe having a mistake or something. Okay, so but I can hear my own voice. I can hear my own voice. All right. Well, once again, everybody, please. Welcome to Children's Art Club. This channel was provided by me. Actually, this is my private, my personal channel, but sometimes I use it for yeah, for the education purposes. Like I'm using it for, yeah, trying to give some kids, especially in Indonesia, to learn a lot about what about art, actually, the one that I really like. And then, yeah, this one is also a big opportunity for me also to increase my knowledge and everything, especially in terms of practicing my English. Actually, my English is not so bad. My accent is not really good, but yeah, I dare to challenge myself to keep on talking. I don't care about the result that my English is good or not, but that is will be the number. Yeah, that will be another problem. That I don't care about my speaking skills in English. All right. So actually, oh, good morning, Defanka. Now I can hear you. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Defanka. Good afternoon. I hope you are enjoying the class for today. So yeah, today we're going to create something using watercolor, and then yeah, we're going to create something, and then we'll just do a lot of fun with the paper and watercolor. All right. For those who just joined, welcome to my channel. Once again, if you want to get the latest updates about the live streaming, about how to draw some art or craft or doing some something creative, you just please push the subscribe button, and then so that you won't miss one of the webinar like this later on in the future. Okay, now I think I'm going to start by doing the sketches, yeah, about the out of space. All right, this is my paper, and I'm going to pointing my camera to my paper later on, and then you guys just check this out later on. All right. Okay, I'm going to point it. Okay, wait, I'm going to close it first. All right, now I think we are ready with the paper, and then some of the what we call this one, the watercolor, and then you also will need this marker, my marker. I have a lot of marker now, and then you can start. Okay, if you're ready, you can prepare your paper first. Then after that, we're going to start to creating some relief art, which is the very cool space, out of space composition onto your paper like this. Okay, if you're now ready, I'm going to start making the background first. All right. so that we can create two activities in the same time. Going to work with the, oh, why is it so hard? All right, we're going to start with the paint. I want you guys to work with your water first. Hi, Defanka, are you ready? If you're ready now, I want you guys to wash your paper first with your water to make your paper a little bit more easy to blend later on with the watercolor. And then, oh yeah, I'm going to greet somebody first. Hi, Mr. Sabto. Apa kabar? Oh, I missed that. This guys. He used to be my senior in my college last time, long time ago. And then I learned a lot of stuff from Mr. Sabto. And Mr. Sabto is also an art teacher actually. He is very good in drawing a cartoon or some of the realistic painting or drawing, right? So actually, I am now trying to make my paper basically wet, all right? If you want to follow me, please use your water and then try to make your paper wet first because we're going to use a watercolor, all right? This will be fun actually, everybody. Okay, I think enough. I put all of the paper with water like this. All right, why that we have to use water to make our paper wet? If you guys have any idea why we're doing like this, please type on the chat box. All right. Okay, now my paper is already wet. Hello, hello. Okay, I want the, why that now the camera is not really focused. Okay, my paper now is wet. Now I want to put something on my paper. Okay, I'm going to start to use the watercolor like this. See that? It will be much more easier if you try to make your paper wet first, right? The paint will be easier to blend like this. Thank you so much, Mr. Sabto. Wah, Pak Sabto, makasih banyak. Yeah, actually nowadays, English is very important for the kids to communicate with each other, right? So I also have a concern that all the Indonesians kids need to learn a lot about the English. That's why I give this free webinar so that they can learn a lot of things, especially English in this webinar. Okay, I'm going to blend the purple and then the blue paint together in this paper, right? Like this. You will see the magic when you are trying to blend all the paint, dark blue with the dark purple. It will create a very nice composition. Yeah, right. See that? I really like the effect when the paint is blending together, like something like this, right? I'm not very good in making the effect of the transparent watercolor. Wow, we have so many people now. Thank you so much for those who just joined. And if you don't mind, please help me to increase my subscriber and to increase my viewers by clicking the subscribe channel, button. And then maybe I can get rich. Yeah, probably I can get rich because of you guys. Just a simple action when you push the subscribe button, everything will be just happy for me then later on. Right, now this is the coolest blending between the blue and then the purple colors. Remember that Mr. R don't really care about the result. I don't care about the result later on at the last part of our video, but at least we just try to blend the color. If it is good or not, I don't really care. I just focus on the positive side that you guys are trying. to work with the watercolor, something like this. Right, now, actually outer space is really dark, right? That's why we need black to be insert in our paper later on. I didn't prepare anything. Yeah, you don't have to prepare anything, everyone. You just watch it first if you want to get your paper, and then you want to start now. Right now, I'm going to wait then. Okay. The live stream notify just pop out, and I'm like, I'm watching this. Yeah. Lol, I'm subscribing. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, guys. Who knows that maybe in 1 year later on, Mr. I will be so rich because you guys push the subscribe button. Right now, actually, auto space is really dark, right? That is the really nice fact about our auto space. That's why I'm going to use black in some part so that the effect of black will be appears on our paper like this, right? And then yeah, something like this, right? I'm using black now at the side of the paper to make vignette effect later on. This one is I'm using the edges of the paper to put the black and trying to blend the black with the purple and then the blue colors in the center. Yeah, something like this. Remember to make it a little bit more transparent because we are working with watercolor, not with the acrylic paint. This is the typical of watercolor when you have to blend it transparently like this. And then, yeah, if you guys want to follow me, you still have a time. I will wait for about 5 minutes. No, no, not 5 minutes, maybe just 1 or 2 minutes to everything, just in case you guys want to uh, want to follow me to paint something later on. Right, I'm going to share this. How to share it? I don't know how to share it. Okay, so this is the live stream, and then we're going to put it on this. Okay. All right. I will copy first some of the URL to my friends in the Facebook later on, maybe. And then wait. Yeah, we're still working with the link right now. Just let me know, guys, if you're having a problem to join this class. All right. I think I am. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, I think now I'm done, almost done with making. Oh, mine will be brown. I like the stream now. Okay, blending and gradient does not happen. Yeah, at least I try. I know I'm not really satisfied to see the blending effect on my. Yeah, I think I need to put more water to make it more blending on this part. Some of them are very dark, some of them are very light, and still I will use the black colors at the edge on the left and the right side to make the dramatic effect on my paper like this. And then maybe I need some blue once again, a little bit more thicker, so that the deep effect of my painting will look really awesome later on. Not awesome, I mean more dramatic. Yeah. And do you get money already? You see, because you have more than one. K subscriber. Actually, not yet. I need like 4,000 viewers who's watching all of my video. That's why if you have a free time, please come to my channel and just click one of the video. Help me to gain the viewers. Okay, it will be counted when you are click one of my video and then you watch it from the 0 minute until, for example, like 2 until 3 hours. It will be more faster for me to get the money later on. Sorry, that's ironic that that is how that the YouTube works. Right, I am done with my background now. I'm going to put my background in somewhere to let it dry first. All right, while I am trying to make this paper dry, I will try to draw something. All right. Okay, we are done with the background. Now we have to draw the object, right? Mm-mm. Okay, no, my blending sucks. It's okay. At least we don't care about the result. Actually, we just try to enjoy the process when we're trying to draw something. All right, now I have my own new paper, and I'm going to draw a lot of things here. Okay, I'm going to draw the planet. I'm using some of the tools like that. Maybe this is the moon. Okay, you have to draw some circle like this using this tape or some of the circle things, and then you decorate it something like a hole, and then like that. And then maybe you want to draw another planet here, or maybe just make it like a circle on this part. Okay, something like this, like a curved line. And then after that, maybe you guys want to draw the rocket. I will teach you how to draw the rocket very easily. Okay. First of all, you have to draw straight line like this. Straight line, another straight line in somewhere. After that, don't forget you need to connect the straight line like this, the straight line with the curved line. All right. After that, you can decorate the what we call it this one, the mouth of the rocket, and maybe you can draw some windows on it like this. Okay, you just do it the same thing on this part. You will draw the rocket windows on this part. Once again, I will create 3 windows on it, or just 2 lines. Okay, and then after that you will connect. Oh, you gain 1 view. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now you have to connect this line and this line, but you have to stop until in the middle of the part of this rocket, yeah, because we're going to put some straight line again, one straight line like this, and then one another straight thicker rectangle on this part like that. I think we're done almost, and then after that you guys need to put another line again on this part, another line, another line on this part, and then you try to draw the leg, or yeah, and then you connect this leg into your unit of your rocket body or something like that. Okay, now you have to just decorate it something like this. Okay, And then after that, maybe you are having your idea to how to draw the fire behind. I mean, at the bottom side of the. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to read something. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh, just wait. Somebody having a chat with me, and they are asking how to find my channel. I'm going to. Yeah, I'm going to share with them first, please. Mm, Is this it? Okay, I'm going to share this. Okay, go back again to our video. Every time there is a live stream, I will definitely watch it. Yeah, that will be your decision later on. You are decision maker. You can you can decide you want to watch it or not. It's up to you. How do you draw so good? No, this is not very good. I'm trying to draw like a kid's drawing. Okay, mine will be messy. Yeah, it's okay. I don't care about the messy thingy. You have to try it. Right? This one is mine. And I'm going to draw another one, planet here maybe. And then I'm going to start to color everything, okay? Maybe some of you guys, girl, are like to have a pink color. I'm going to use pink color then on my one envelope, or what this one is what we call it, a rocket. And then we're going to use another colors on this part with the green light maybe, or maybe you want, if you want to blend it to make the gradient or to make the gradation effect using the dark green with the light green, yes, you may try it. All right, this is a time for you to try in blending every kind, I mean any kind of colors that you want. Okay, you are the creator, you have a freedom to use any color you want. How about the planet, Mr. R? Okay, I'm going to use, maybe mix it with a little bit brown color in some part. For example, this part. Okay, I'm going to color it brown, a little bit more thicker, because this one may be the dark area. And then after that, I'm going to use light brown, like that. Okay, something like this. And then after that, I'm going to use maybe a light yellow. Hi, Mr. R. Hi. So everyone now, actually every day we have a live streaming, because yeah, we will having a live streaming and learn about a lot of art skill. Okay, if you guys having your paper, please, you can prepare your paper first, and then you may try to draw something like me. Okay, and then I'm going to, are you in ES? It's me, Nathan. Oh, hi, Nathan. I'm just surprised that all the kids now, I mean, all the students now are gathering in my channel, and I'm so happy to see you guys here, because as much as you join, I will be a rich person later on, because I will get so many money from you. I mean, from YouTube, not from you. I am a secret person. Yeah. Sakura is a secret person. I will not mention your name. All right. For this part, maybe I'm going to use a little bit dark gray, yeah, to color the part of this one. And then, yeah, something like this. I'm going to use a lot of water to make the light gray, because in watercolor we don't have a lot of light gray. Okay, and then, okay, I think I'm done with this one. I'm going to put something cool with the tail of the rocket. Maybe I will use red color. So for the rocket, there is no specific colors that you need to use, okay? You can use your own imagination. Just pick any colors you like this. I have so many colors template on my plate, on my palette, and then you just pick one of them. You don't care about the result. Try to apply it on the paper like this, okay? And then yeah, just enjoy the process when you guys are painting the the things that you want to do, okay? Right, and then this one, for this part, maybe who wants, I mean, I need you guys to help me to color this a quarter of items. What color that you think will be cool if I color this part? Can everybody please type what color that you suggest for this? I'm your biggest fan, sir. Whoa, Mr. Oh, this one is Mr. Agustin. I know that one. Mr. Agustin is a artist also, and he is also a good photographer. If you guys want to learn about photography, you can call Mr. Sabto Aji. Yeah, Mr. Sabto Aji is a good photographer. Okay, if you have a brother or sister, maybe they want to learn about photography, you can call Mr. Sabto Aji. He is the very good person and very talented photographer in the world. 9 people, Mr. What is that? Hiya. And purple planet. Okay, I'm going to use this one as a purple planet. Yeah, I'm going to use that. Is a good idea. I'm going to use a purple planet on this part. I will try to put. Oh, I will try to apply the light purple first on this area, and then I'm going to mix it with the dark one, so it will create a very nice effect on our planet later on. This one is not really nice blending. I'm going to use a little bit more water to blend it so that it will having a good result on making the planet. All right, that's it, guys. I'm done. And then I just need one more step to finalize my painting this evening. And you guys may try to open it again maybe next time, because this one will be recorded in the YouTube and you can just play it as long as you want, and you can play it anytime you want. All right, I'm going to finalize everything. This is my background, and this is my object. I'm going to put my object a little bit down here, and I'm going to copy one of my students did in my classroom a long time ago. Her name is Naomi. Naomi is like to Naomi likes to use some technique like trying to splash uh, the what we call it, the paper like this, okay, to make the planet effect. Okay, like the stars, like the planet effect on the paper later on. Okay, you can use black also, something like this. Don't worry if your table is dirty. You can wash uh, with some of the towel or something like that. Okay, I copy it from Naomi from grade. Now she is now grade 5. Last time when she is still grade 3, she's always like to using this kind of technique. Okay, she also using white. I am now using white to make the effect of the splashing star, something like that. Please subscribe my channel, okay, so that I can be rich later on. If you, it's just an easy and simple way to do, but having a very big impact for me later on. All right. You know that nowadays it's very hard for people like me to earn money. That's why I'm using YouTube to to, yeah, just hoping that in the future YouTube will pay me because I already having a lot of subscriber and viewers. Right, I think I'm done with the background. As you can see here, I'm using brown. I'm using black, and then, yeah, I'm using a lot of black and purple, dark purple, white, and everything, just to create the effect of the stars or out of space, something like that. Yeah, something like that. All right. Now it's about training, but I hope you guys are okay. Don't just only chatting. You can try it at home, guys. All right. I'm done with my background and I'm done with my object. I'm going to put my background a little bit now here, and then I'm going to start to cut my object. All right. I need some scissor now. Where is the scissor? Yeah. Wait, I'm going to take my scissor first. Yeah, it's okay. Any kind of scissor. Okay, I need some scissor. Where's the scissor? Okay. Is there any questions so far? Yeah. Next, tomorrow on Friday we will still. On Thursday we're still having a class something like this. Okay. Terus, you're still sus. What's that? Adro. Dude, yes. What's happened? There's no crystal. Yeah, there's no crystal here. Okay. All right. I'm going to cut my object one by one, and then at the last of our process this evening, you will see the magic that the painting will look really awesome later on. All right. This one I cut it first. This is a part of the planet, and then this one also. Yeah, something like this. And then the other one, I'm going to cut it one by one first. Okay, Mr. Al is only like drawing for object. In the future, guys, you can draw as many objects as you want. Okay, I just give you some a little bit examples to how to draw the object, and the rest will be yours. You have to be creative. Okay, now I am working uh, with the scissor and paper, and as you can see that I am now cutting the object, right? Something like this. Wow, you have so many chat, guys, and 9 people are joining my live streaming. Can you imagine if 100 people joining my live streaming? I will be so rich then later on. Wow, I can buy something like McDonald's burger or KFC. I don't know. I sound like a maniac. What's that? Can you please ask how to draw anime next? Okay, next on Friday, I'm going to teach you about how to draw the anime. Yeah, don't forget to join the class. Yeah, for today, maybe this one is looks so childish. The the object or the thing that I drew is something like grade 1 or 2 or 3 level, like drawing the rocket like this. But yeah, I'm trying to provide the best lesson ever for you guys about how to do some of the art and craft activities. All right. Now you have to cut your rocket like this, and then, yeah. After you're done, I think I'm done with everything now. This is the fun part now. Okay, as you can see now here, this is my background, right? And this is my object. How to make this object looks cool, looks 3D, and it looks really interesting. All right. First of all, you're creating a lot of something like this. Maybe you can put it here later on, and this one's supposed to be on this part. And then you may try to put this one on this area, and then you will put all of this thing on this area also. All right. Now you need to something like a glue to glue this part. All right. Then now you're going to working with the recycled paper like this. This is the used paper that you already create. I mean, yeah, already cut. But yeah, since we have to also concern about the global warming, I want you guys to start cutting. I mean, you can just reuse this paper. Okay, this paper is. I think it still have a lot of part that we can cut and stick at the back of our object later on. Okay, I'm going to cut this one, just random cut like this. I'm going to fold it, okay, something like this. Okay, I have it now, like this. Right, I fold it until this one is really, really cold. And then after that, I'm going to use some glue. Right, this is my glue. Oh my god. I'm going to use my glue just a little bit. I will just put it in glue here. I'm using the glue on this area later on. The glue on this part. All right, we are going to create this planet. We're going to create the effect of this planet becoming a little bit more 3D and a little bit more space. Yeah, at the bottom part of this planet. Okay. Now you can use the recycled paper like this. I remember that blue thing if I go to the atom. Yes, I also remember about it. Okay, you have to put the glue on this one. And then after that, you stick this paper at the back of this planet. So let it hide it. And then after that, you put the glue on this part and then you just stick it. Whenever you want something like this. Wow, this looks really cool, right? There is some illusion space at the back. Yeah. After that, I'm going to add another more. As usual, you put the random paper like this. And then, yeah, you may fold it one more time. Okay, something like this. And then you just put the glue to make the paper stick. Yes, and then we will put the glue on this area. And this area also. And then we're going to stick it here. And after that, we'll stick it here. Yeah. Okay, something like this, guys. And then I'm going to use another paper. Yeah, one more time. You put the paper again. Something like this. And I'm going to use this glue to glue it first. And then glue another one. The other part. Guys, is it raining in your area? Okay, I'm going to stick this one. Yes, Mr. Yeah. Oh, so sad that here are the rain is quite big. It's like cats and dog raining. It's pouring. And then yeah, I'm just trying to put this one on this area. Okay, something like that. Okay, and I'm going to put another paper. Use another paper like this. I fold it one more time again. And stick it first with my glue like this. Make it really, really sticky. And then put another more glue and stick it on the planet at behind the planet like this. Put some of the glue again and then you stick it on this area. Yeah, something like this. Alright, I think this is the last one. I'm going to use another paper. Wow, it was raining in my place and it went to Jakarta and went back here again. Okay. Thank you, Naomi. Nice drawing, Mr. Art. Thank you so much. Actually, I'm just trying to kill my free time by doing something worth my life, which is live streaming on my YouTube channel. And if you guys interested about my channel and my activity, please subscribe so that you won't miss any kind of art activities like this in the future later on. Okay, I'm done. I'm sticking my paper and I'm going to stick it here. All right, I think I'm done now. Oh wait, wait. Wow, this is cool. I think, yeah. As you can see now, the paper looks really, really three-dimensional. The illusion makes the shadows and everything. All right, that's it for today, everybody. This is my creation, and I hope that you guys are finding that this channel are useful for you to learn a lot about the art and craft. And then if you have any question, please have a chat. Not every week, every day even. He doesn't stream every day. Now, yeah, I'm planning to stream every day. Live stream, live streaming at about 4:30 until like uh yeah, like 1 hour after that. Maybe like 5:30. I don't know. As long as you guys like to join with my lesson, that will be as long as you want them. Okay, do you have any idea about the next art lesson? Yeah, if you want to get the notification when I am streaming or not, please subscribe my channel. You just find the subscribe button and then click it. I hope someday we could work together and create something cool videos. So, okay, thank you. I will be supporting your program then, Mr. Agustin. Yeah, just invite me whenever you have a time, and then maybe we can collaborate each other later on. Nice. I hurt my finger last art lesson. What's happened at that? Oh, the of the Yuhu glue. Oh, because of the Yuhu glue. It's okay. Yuhu glue can be. You can just pull out all the Yuhu glue with the water. You just wash it with your water and some of the soap, and then you just peel it one by one. It will be so easy for you to peel it from your skin later on. No, the cap. Oh, the cap is becoming a problem for you then. Okay, what do you think about my creation by today, everybody? Oh, you were trying to close it, but accidentally your skin are trapped on it. Yeah, actually, we have another lesson. I mean, tomorrow I have a plan to create something also related with the spaceship and then with the planet, something like this. All right, if you guys are interested, tomorrow on 4:30 p.m. I'm going to live streaming again, and then you may join with me also. Wow, hi Pak Agung, thank you so much. You say that mantap mas. Thank you so much Pak Agung for uh, I mean drop by to my channel, and you may push the subscribe button so that maybe you can see later on in the future that Mr. I will be so rich because I have so many subscribers, unfortunately. Yeah, thank you so much, Pa Agung, and thank you so much, everybody. Now this is it. This is the end of my result. I am creating the relief art about the spaceship. Okay, actually there is a space around this part, and then yeah, it's creating illusion of the space between the object and the background behind it, something like this. You may try it in your house, guys, and don't forget to watch another live streaming, which is tomorrow. And then yeah, that's it, everybody. Have a nice day, and then have a nice restful evening, everybody. Thank you so much for the subscribe thingy. I would like to say thank you for Sakura and OP, and then who else? Naomi, Mr. Agustin, and the rest. Adro. Who is Adro? And then yeah, next Friday I'm will opening the class, which is we will learning about how to create the anime's drawing. Like smack the subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't smack it, your computer will be broken then. Right, that's it, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye bye.